Hi guys, today I'm going to show how to fix the Windows update error. Your device is missing important security and quality fixes. So before going to the video, please turn on the CC for subtitle. Usually this error occurs due to the corrupted or incomplete Windows update file, or passed or disabled update service, or outdated or damaged system files, or low disk space or storage corruption. So we're gonna fix it. So our first method is run Windows Update Troubleshooter. So for that you need to enter into your settings. In that, select System and then Troubleshoot. Scroll down, you may see the Troubleshoot. And then Other Troubleshoot, and over there you may see Windows Update. Just click Run. It automatically detects and solves the problem, and have some patience to wait on it. It will take some long time. Once it's done, we are just entering our next step. Restart your Windows Update service. For that you need to press Windows R and type service.msc. Click enter, and then here you need to find out the Windows Update. Scroll down and you may see the Windows Update. Stop and start the function again and click OK. After that, click Windows Installer, same, start it, and same for background intelligent transfer service. If it's in stop condition, please start that. And the last one is cryptographic service. Once it's done, close that. And our third step is to run system file checker. For that you need to open command prompt as run as administrator and type sfc space scannow, which is in the description. Copy and paste it. It will take long time. Have some patience to wait on it, and it shows like he had a corrupted files and successfully repaired. And after that, please copy and paste the prompt in the description: DISM online cleanup image restore health, and click enter, and it will take long time. Once it's done, please close it and restart the PC. And our next step is to free up the space. For that you need to press Windows R and type clean mgr and press OK. Once it's done, please select the drive and click OK, and then it automatically read. After that, it shows the storage space, and here please enable whatever storage you don't need, like cache, temporary file, and then click OK and delete the folder. Meanwhile, you need to check whether you had a space in C drive. Just enter into the Windows Explorer and check whether you had enough space in the C drive. If you don't have the enough space in the C drive, please make some space, like moving some files to the external drive. Once it's done, please restart your system. After restart, please do check. And I hope you enjoy the video, and thank you for watching. For more, subscribe TechTube. If you had any queries or feedbacks, feel free to contact our team. Thank you.